Hey there, tech-savvy viewers. Welcome back to Tech Things 360. Today, we're diving into a common and frustrating issue that many Windows 10 and 11 users encounter, the automatic repair loop. We've all been there, staring at that screen when your Windows operating system won't start. But fear not, because we've got your back. In this video, we'll show you how to fix the automatic repair loop in Windows 10 and 11, step by step. Whether you're facing this issue right now or want to be prepared for the future, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because you won't want to miss this guide on how to get your Windows back up and running. Section 1. Understanding the automatic repair loop. To kick things off, let's explain what the automatic repair loop is and why it happens. Understanding the problem is the first step to solving it. We'll discuss the common causes of the automatic repair loop, from software glitches to hardware issues. Section 2. Preparing for the fix. Before we dive into fixing the issue, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of backing up your data. We'll explain how to do this. In case the issue can't be resolved easily, we'll guide you on how to create a bootable USB drive as a safety net. Section 3. Step-by-step fix for Windows 10 and 11. We'll show you how to access the advanced startup options in Windows 10 and 11. This is where the repair process begins. System Restore can often resolve the issue. We'll guide you through the process, step by step. If System Restore doesn't work, we'll show you how to use the Startup Repair feature. Sometimes, corrupted system files are the culprit. We'll walk you through running SFC and DISM scans to fix them. Ensuring your Windows is up to date can often resolve compatibility issues. We'll show you how to check for updates. If all else fails, we'll discuss the last resort, performing a clean install of Windows. We'll guide you through this process as well. Section 4. Post-repair tips. After resolving the issue, we'll talk about the importance of updating your drivers and software to prevent future problems. We'll emphasize the importance of regular backups to ensure you're always prepared for unexpected issues. In conclusion, the automatic repair loop can be frustrating, but with the right steps and precautions, you can get your Windows system back on track. If this guide has helped you fix the automatic repair loop in Windows 10 or 11, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends who might be facing this issue, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Things 360 for more helpful tech-related content.